Hello everybody! I have a layout for you all today using some Distress Oxide inks. So I'm going to try and be a bit better about using some of my products that I normally just, like if I'm doing a layout like this, I don't normally turn the camera on to Scrapbook. I will just do it and then share it on Instagram or something. So I thought I would do something different. Just, so it's not always the same thing all the time in every video that I share with you. So this is a stencil that's actually in the November Chamel Best of Both Worlds kit. If you are interested in purchasing those, you can go over to her Facebook group. I think it's on her artist page, or for sure it's in her Scrapbook Like Superhero Facebook group. So the two colors I'm using are Speckled Egg and I think that's Chipped Sapphire. I'm pretty sure that's Chipped Sapphire. And the stencil I'm using is by Photoplay, and it is a two-part stencil. It has a layering piece that goes on top of it. And I'm using these little foam daubers that I got with purchase from scrapbook.com. They will often have a special item that you can add to your cart when you're purchasing other things, and this happened to be one of those items. They're just little daubers that go on your finger, but they work really, really well for this type of stenciling, and they work amazing with the Distress Oxide ink. I haven't used them with other inks, so I can't tell you that, but they work extremely well with the oxide inks. So I'm going to stencil on all of the dark blue on camera with you, and then I have to let it dry. Oxide inks take a while to dry. They are a pigment dye hybrid ink, so they do take a while to dry. So I'm going to let it dry off camera. Oh, sorry, I'm using Faded Jeans, not Chipped Sapphire. And so I'll let it dry off camera, and then when I come back, it'll have the light speckled egg on top of it. I don't think I show you me putting on the speckled egg because I'm pretty sure I forget to start filming. And then I'm like, oh no. So yeah, sorry about that. That was like 2 layouts in a row that I forgot to press start on the camera. So all you didn't see me do was do the exact same thing, but with speckled egg ink with the other part of the stencil that just has half of the leaf shape. I didn't put that on every single leaf. I only put it on some of them. And then I took a gold mist that I made myself from some Liquitex acrylic ink in the gold color. I just added it to a little mister bottle and put some water in, and I shook it all up. That's all you missed in terms of the background, and I promise you it was super, super easy. I didn't do anything else. That was it. This is a picture of my dog Fergus. He had just turned 1 here. He's a little bit older now, but he had just turned 1, and he had this huge smile on his face. He is so sweet. Oh, honestly, I love that dog like you would not believe. I love him so much. Oh, and before I forget to mention, I did use a Hip Kit Club kit for this layout. I believe it is the September kit because I just got the October kit and I've only made 1 layout with it, and that's not it. So this is the September Hip Kit Club kit. And I don't think I added anything else other than the inks and the stencil. The stencil didn't come in the kit. That I purchased from scrapbook.com through Chamel's affiliate link. And if you want to shop with her, you can find her affiliate link on her Facebook group. She has an artist page and a Facebook group. I'm sure it's on both. Plus, I'm pretty sure it's on her blog as well, so chamel.com. I'm just peeling the sticky off the chipboard so that I can decide where to put it. It's really, really easy to peel it off. It just comes right off. I like doing that anyways because I don't trust that it's not just going to peel off at some point when the layout has been finished. Okay, I might have a little bit of control problems, but still. Anyways, let's get back to the video. So I'm using some puffy pre-made word stickers. I think they're part of the Maggie Holmes collection. I'm pretty sure they are. And those chipboard pieces are also from the Maggie Holmes collection. I think pretty much everything there is from the Maggie Holmes collection, if I'm being honest. I am going to add in some blue flowers, maybe? Oh, and the butterflies. Because I was like, well, he's outside. He's in the backyard. And he's so cute. He also looks really, really white in that picture. He's not that white. He's like a creamy, like a very creamy color now. Like an antique linen color, if you know distressing color. That's what color he is. So cute story about his coloring. We have neighbors. Well, of course we have neighbors. But there's two boys on the one side of us, and the one little boy, he loves Fergus, and Fergus loves him. They have a thing going, the two of them. So he says that Fergus is like a toasted marshmallow because he's golden on top and then he's white underneath. Because if you lift his fur up, it's really white underneath. That's what the little boy next door calls him. I think he's about 10 or 11 maybe. It's really cute. So he calls him his toasted marshmallow. It's adorable. Like really adorable. Every time he says it, I melt a little bit because it's just so cute. They can't have dogs because his older brother is allergic to dogs. So that little boy, he likes to see Fergus whenever he's outside. So they have fun together. Oh, I love that picture of Fergus. He's just so happy. So happy. I think this was right after, or right when the weather turned nice, and I got a new camera, and I'm learning how to use it slowly. So I bought a Nikon D850, which is a full frame camera, and I have never had a full frame camera before, so I really wanted one, but there is no automatic like point shoot mode on this camera. So a little bit of learning process with this camera. I have it beside me because I was looking for lenses for it the other day because I'm in the market for a good all-purpose lens for that camera because I don't have one as of yet. I have my 50mm lens, which is my favorite, but so that mist that I added, I'm pretty sure it's the mist that I made. I just use Liquitex acrylic ink in the gold color, and it's really, really thick. It's a really thick ink if you just drop it out, and it's very, very opaque if you just drop it out. However, I put some drops into one of those tiny skinny mister bottles and added water to it and shook it all up. And it's a really, really good match for the Heidi Swap color shine. It's not exact if you mix it with water, but it's extremely close. It's definitely the closest I have ever gotten to it because I have some color shine left, but I can't open my bottle. It's a process. I've been working on it, so I can't open it. I've tried running it under hot water, everything. So I think I'm going to get my husband to help me and cut the top off of it and just pour it into another bottle so I can use it. So that is my layout. I am just going to dry up that, and then that's everything. So thank you for watching.